Storm Team 29 forecast.
All right, we've got plenty of rain that we dealt with throughout the morning hours, and now we're doing a little break in the action before more redevelops across the region. There's the view with live Doppler radar showing you generally some light rain at this time. At this particular moment, we've seen amounts range anywhere from 1/4 to over ½ an inch across the region. Activities lifting off to the north and east. Yes, it's been a chilly day, and temperatures are slowly beginning to edge up, and that'll be the case as we go through the rest of this evening and the overnight. Now, it's a different story west of the mountains, west of the Appalachians. Ongoing severe weather here. Temperatures are much warmer, closer to an area of low pressure. We're basically in the shadow of an approaching warm front that's just off to our south. Now, there's still a low risk for severe weather, mainly across the Piedmont counties of central Virginia back into Southside Virginia, mainly be for a damaging wind threat. You get into the Carolinas, there's still a low risk for a tornado, and certainly farther out to the west across the Ohio Valley. So this is a complex storm system. Main area of low pressure to the west, cold front slicing through the Ohio and Tennessee River valleys, a warm front nearby, and again, we are basically on the cooler side of this system. So temperatures will continue to rise here tonight. Temperatures for many of us across central Virginia by morning could be in the low 60s. Areas out to the west still in the 50s, but it'll be a milder day here for Thursday. Now, we're still going to hold on to the chance of a few scattered showers, nothing like today, and that would mainly be during the morning. Also, as we move into the evening hours of Thursday, we're looking for numbers anywhere from the upper 60s to lower 70s here for Thursday. Additional rain at this time, anywhere from ½ an inch, maybe up to an inch. There's the American GFS model, the European model, much the same. And as we take a look at our planner as we go through the next several days, after tomorrow, it's all cooling down. Temperatures tomorrow, upper 60s, lower 70s. Friday, we'll have numbers basically in the upper 50s and lower 60s. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds on Friday. Another quick-moving clipper-like system comes in on Saturday. Fast-moving. We'd likely begin with some sunshine, then self-destruct cloudiness rolls in along with some showers, and it'll turn much colder, if you will, as we get into Sunday, and the overnight lows will be dipping down well below freezing. So we've got a main area of low pressure back here across Illinois and Indiana. You can see that broad counterclockwise spin, and out ahead of it, we've got the risk for severe weather. That's why that severe thunderstorm watch box in effect for portions of Indiana and Ohio, and then portions of eastern Ohio into western West Virginia, portions of eastern Kentucky under a tornado watch, and even out across the Carolinas, this area is being monitored ahead of the cold front. That area is seeing much warmer temperatures here this afternoon. We've been wedged in with cooler air with winds out of the north and east. You kind of see that with the regional depiction of the temperatures. Cooler air from the northeast, warmer air south and west, and again, you go across the Piedmont and the Carolinas, back across the western areas of the Appalachians, it's much, much warmer. So we've got additional rain here tonight, and yeah, there could be some heavier downpours, maybe an isolated storm, especially across the Piedmont. We'll have temperatures in the morning start in the 50s to even some low 60s, and then we'll still hold on to a fair amount of clouds throughout much of the day. The front will be off to our east, but upper 60s, lower 70s, and there could still be some additional showers as we get into tomorrow evening. Then we clear out into Friday morning. Temperatures will start in the 40s. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds on Friday with temperatures on either side of 60. Jumping ahead to Saturday, another quick moving system comes in, could trigger a few showers. Yeah, rain could go over to snow in the higher elevations of the mountains out to our west, just the indication of colder air. Temperatures tonight then slowly rising, additional rain to contend with. There we go with the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. After tomorrow, the temperatures continue to slide downward. A cooler weekend, and call your attention to the morning lows as we get into Sunday morning and also Monday morning. They'll be at or well below freezing during that time frame. So the cooler side of spring showing itself over the next 7 days.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. Well, it can be terrifying.